All right, guys, so we're going straight from Samir's trailer right onto the lift at Kyle's parents' house. This trans needs to come out. We need to figure out what happened. So that's how we're gonna start this video, straight getting to working on the 240 because I don't wanna waste any time. I need this thing running right, so. It doesn't run, obviously, so we're just gonna let it roll. Steering wheel. Hey, Kyle, can I borrow your steering wheel? We left mine at the house.
Yeah, go.
I took my steering wheel out and I took it home. Good thing. That's what homies are for. Steering wheel delivery.
Good?
Yeah, you're good. Keep going. Turn a little bit. You're going a little off. Turn right a little bit. There we go. Go, Kyle.
Exhaust?
Yeah. Oh, the exhaust.
Gotta throw some wood under there.
That's okay. Keep the wheel a little to the left.
What are we hitting?
You're in left.
Oh, I'm sorry. I was in second gear.
Oh my God.
I was like, what? I was like,
Straight. Straight. This is perfect. Straight. A little to the right. A little to the right, a little to the right. Thanks, Captain. It's been about 10-15 minutes. We already got all the bolts out except for one. Kyle got the starter off, slave cylinders off. So we're pretty much ready to...
2 bolts are out of the drive shaft. You just gotta undo your shifter.
Okay.
And
So,
it's coming out.
perfect. We're sending it, guys.
We're going for record time.
This is the fastest we've ever pulled a trans on one of these cars. Alright guys, trans mount's coming off, and then everything else is done, and check this out. We have lost fluid every single time we pull a trans, and this time we said 2 Ziploc bags, zip ties, and rubber bands. We're keeping this red line fluid in there, man.
Good luck.
Alright, she's off. Let's get pulling. I didn't bring my tripod, guys, I'm sorry. I'll see if I can film. Kyle's about to pull this by himself. I gotta put the camera down. It's not separating? There you go, there it goes. Oh my God. Oh my God.
So these came out. That's a lot of the clutch dust and shit.
So what I thought was the issue, which is throwout bearing, which was, I thought it was a throwout bearing. This is fine. Here's the throwout bearing, still slides smooth. Brian and I got it in there nice. We're good. These
got chewed up.
look like they're from the clutch plate. And check this out, guys. I can't believe this. And if you notice, there's more pieces of metal coming out of it. These are more like this, which I think are the the little pieces of metal that hold the clutch material on the clutch, on the actual clutch disc. So we're not gonna know until we pull the pressure plate, but yeah, I can't believe this happened, man. Let's pull this pressure plate and see what's up. I'm calling in Juku Racing right when we get this off because I really hope that this is warranty swapped. Alright, pressure plate's coming off, and looks like the clutch is coming out in pieces. Oh.
So yeah, that's what those discs were.
Yep.
Rivets just failed and destroyed it.
Jeez, man. Well, guys, looks like I need a new clutch.
It's not bad. You would be able to resurface this. There's nothing, no major scratches, which is good.
That's good.
There's that missing clutch material.
Alright.
This is the definition of full send.
Apparently.
Definitely let a rip, tater chip.
Alright guys, here's all the pieces. So wow. Can't believe that happened.
I would expect that out of like a 1,000 horsepower car, not like a 300 horsepower car.
Maybe my SR is 1,000 horsepower.
I mean, it's built. But